Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola device to Honor X7. First of all, you need to access Play Store on both devices and type in Send Anywhere in the search bars. Then install this free app from this developer and open it. Now, to use this app, you need to click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do the same on Motorola. Finally, click on receive on Honor smartphone over here and send on Motorola. Then you can finally tap on all of those type of dots, and when you're ready, select send here. This way you will choose all of your files and transfer them later on. It will take some time to do it now, so I will go with only one photo. Just send and tap on got it in this pop-up. Now you need to click on yes I agree or no thanks on Honor and select close this window. Finally, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon, choosing while using the app or only this time, and pointing your device's camera at the code. But we can always input this key over here instead. And click on Receive. Either way, as you can see, after a couple of seconds, my picture was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!